And so it continues. I just arrived in Rochester, New York. I'm at the Henrietta Antique Mall. Let's go in and hopefully it's exciting, but not too exciting. Well, the first thing I see, look at those little sewing scissors with the gold glitter. Beautiful jewelry casket. Oh my gosh, and this silver compact. The couch, let's see. Oh, $40. Really pretty enameled one too. Talk about overstimulated. Every aisle is like this. Now, that's gorgeous. The check necklace, $62 on that. What is that freaking thing? Vintage Bakelite, $199. That's the craziest bracelet I've ever seen. And then here's some other ones, $125 and $125. That's about retail on those. I love the kind of space-shaped one, but that thing, never seen that before. Awesome cat, Italian, and $45 about retail. And I love the Vandermark egg. Looks like, can't really tell how much it is. Everything else looks to be about retail. Really pretty though. This Correa star paperweight. Oh my gosh, I love the star motif. All right, brace yourself. Some amazing check face. I think it's check. And that's pretty too. It looks like Portinger, the blue. Pretty little perfume bottle. I love the lines in that. Okay. That looks like it's stupend. No, it says French Opaline, $38. 20% off too. That's unusual. That vase. I'll talk to you later. This is really cool. Hexagonal covered glass trinket box, $35 and 20% off. Nice acrylic back there with the green. Yeah, whoa, look at that thing. That's kind of wild. I think so far I'm most interested in that's a nice acrylic bowl, the opaline, as well as this box. And neat pottery piece back there. Looks Italian. Our first bittersweet sighting. Nice three-toe there at $175. Yes, and nice mid-century glass. All about where it needs to be. This is a neat piece. Royal Copenhagen, cool. I've never seen one that big. Oh, I love this little paperweight. Venetian. No, that's perfume. No, that's Venetian too, for sure. It's got a red line through it. I'm not sure what that means. Look at the freaking Costa Boda bird head paperweight. That's so cool. $150 on that. I love this cute little children's vanity set with the dog on it. Very Art Deco. Some nice sterling jewelry. Love the Bakelite pin. $45 on that. And then over here, what was I looking at? The man is pretty interesting. Yeah, they've got some fun stuff. Oh, look at that pink rhinestone piece. It says Vintage Juliana. I wonder if it is, because I definitely had the matching pin, and I didn't sell it for that. 20% off everything over. Oh man, look at the gold fill. Micro mosaic. That's gorgeous. $40 for that. I feel like that's a great deal. Now here's a little pocket of interesting things. Love the little wave crest box. $60 though. Nice blue Cambridge. And the cranberry antique glass Lily of the Valley. I guess it's like an ice bucket or something. $180 on that. There's one I've never seen. Look at that Murano quilted optic glass slipper. $48. That is so pretty. Never seen one in the satin finish like that. This case is overstimulated. 50% off. Red lines. Well, there's one thing in here I see. Look at that. The iCult. It says paperweight, but I think it's perfume without the stopper. Nice enamel over copper. $10 on that. So cool. What is this thing down here? Murano glass. $25. That's a neat piece. Oh, wow, that's cool. I gotta get that. Look at this. 1920s, 1930s Rhinestone bow. That is so pretty. Really pretty pendant too, Art Deco. I think that says $29. And then over here, I love this little tape measure. That's a neat little purse with the like kind of vivid color paisley print on it. $80 on that though. Oh, awesome. The crown antique brass tiara, $85. Oh, I wish that was cheaper. I want that so bad. For the record, $85 on the tiara is fair. Look at this one. It looks Italian. It is signed on the back. 145, 1800s. God, that's gorgeous. I've never seen so much 1800s art in my life in one place. This necklace is amazing. Oh my gosh. All the antique check stuff. Now this is a very neat case. Brace yourself because it's all really at retail $38 for that. That's so neat. I love that Art Deco lady. Probably for powder. They have so much neat stuff in here. Look at this tin toy. Speaking of tins, they have one of the best selections I've seen. Well, that's not true. It might be among the best, but it's more my style, I'd say. Very neat. And then the English Art Deco lighter, the table lighter. It looks like it's missing its insert. They usually are. Look at this cool thing. Brooklyn Pottery. Brooklyn, New York, I should say. Doreen Baskin. This is a neat piece, too. Moravian pottery? Kind of a neat, believed to be Bakelite brooch. But it's this pink opalescent piece. Can't really see a price on it. It's so pretty. Hey, look at this trolley picture. Jay Anderson, Chicago artist. That is a neat piece of folk art. May 1970, Jay Anderson. It looks expensive. Really cool. The Naughty Knotter ashtray. She's missing her fan. $28, totally fair, but I'm more interested in the tiny clock next to it. Wow. All right, well, we finally found something here that's definite. Check out these glass beads for $5. And then, oh, is that a tiny... Oh my God, I found a tiny tiara. That's an old one, $10. Okay, here we go. And then I'm looking at this hand-painted piece, the daisy heart behind it. There's all kinds of stuff in here. Oh my gosh, look at this. Incredible Royal Doulton. That's a gorgeous one. So this is the pile I picked out. It comes to $57. Really amazing. Love the Art Nouveau style. And these bags of buttons are incredible. I think there is some Bakelite hidden in there. I saw some apple juice possibly. For $5 for the bag, I'm not gonna think about it too much though. This hand-painted piece is awesome. Wow, look at that frame. Beautiful Dutch windmill. Gosh, $45 and 20% off. That seems like a bargain for somebody. Beautiful. Awesome mid-century flower brooch for $10. Juliana Rare. Whoosh. That is amazing. I've never seen Juliana out like and about. At least not marked. New York's the first place I've been where I've seen it. It's a neat pen too, even though it's more contemporary, made to look old. Very neat check piece, a Victorian sash brooch. I'm gonna have to get in here. Look at the box for the Bugsy, the marionette. Fabulous. Oh, Shuko monkey, $75 and 20% off. That's cool. Oh my gosh, what do they have on that? $25, save your fun on Kodak film. That's the best advertisement. $20, $25 and 20% off. No, it's not 20% off, it's just $25. That's a great buy. I love that little flat purple dichroic heart paperweight hiding back in there. Looks like $80. I can't see the maker on it. Mosaic, signed. Really neat piece. More dolls. Great composition Cupid. $8? $6? Oh, wow, this is fun. Well, we'll take her for $8. She's fantastic. She even has the stand and the cane. Now that's a crazy piece of yellow glass. All right, so here, that looks like an eye gold maybe. $45 and 20% off. I also love this little bone china plate. That's so pretty. All right, well, there's one piece in particular I'm interested in. It's that one. Looks like the prices are really good in here. Oh my gosh, look at that pink rhinestone piece. I can't really tell what the prices are, but it looks cheap. Neat lucite earrings with the rhinestone and pink. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get it into this case as well. Gosh, I didn't even look up yet. All right, well, I picked out a nice assortment of jewelry out of that case, and holy cow, look at this case of like all this Victorian. I see a couple hat pins in there. This doll is amazing. This frame, $149. That is gorgeous. That's 1800s ribbon around there for sure. But what I'm most interested in is the Bakelite handled boudoir tray. I'm assuming that's Bakelite. God, I love the frames. Amazing. And holy Limoges. I've never seen so much Limoges in one spot for these prices, or anywhere near these prices. And on top of that, it's all 20% off. The cameo. Wow, so cool. Some really neat pieces. I was looking at the Souvenir of Paris plate. Gucci coasters. Amazing. 60% off everything. What is that Ghostbuster thing? Why am I so into that? That pottery vase is unusual to me. Oh, it's Japanese. That's neat. I feel like you could easily miss something in this case. Fabulous finds in Henrietta, or in Rochester at Henrietta. Even got a coupon for their sister store, so we might have to go there. In the meantime, I'm gonna put this in the car and get on the road, and I'll see you guys at my next stop.